The secret behind the simplicity. Caprese salad is more than just a dish. It's a celebration of simplicity and flavor. Originating from the island of Capri in the 1920s, this salad was created as a tribute to the Italian flag, showcasing the red of tomatoes, white of mozzarella, and green of basil. Over the years, it has transcended its origins to become a global favorite, appreciated for its straightforward preparation and delightful taste. Common missteps in crafting the perfect caprese. Despite its simplicity, there are pitfalls to avoid. Refrigerated tomatoes. Chilling tomatoes dulls their flavor. Always use room temperature ripe tomatoes for the best taste. Low quality mozzarella. Opt for fresh mozzarella, preferably mozzarella di bufala, to achieve the creamy texture essential to the dish. Overcomplicating the salad. Adding too many ingredients or heavy dressings can overshadow the delicate balance of flavors. The core ingredients and their roles. Tomatoes. Choose ripe, juicy tomatoes like heirloom or vine-ripened varieties. Their sweetness and acidity form the salad's foundation. Mozzarella. Fresh mozzarella provides a creamy contrast to the tomatoes. Its mild flavor complements the other ingredients without overpowering them. Basil. Fresh basil adds a fragrant herbal note, enhancing the overall flavor profile. Olive oil. A drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil ties the ingredients together, adding richness and depth. Elevating the traditional caprese. To make your caprese salad unforgettable. Grilled tomatoes. Lightly grilling tomato slices can enhance their sweetness and add a smoky flavor. Balsamic reduction. A drizzle of balsamic glaze can introduce a tangy sweetness that complements the other ingredients. Presentation. Arrange the ingredients artfully on the plate. A visually appealing presentation can enhance the dining experience. Recap. Embracing the caprese. The caprese salad exemplifies how a few high-quality ingredients can come together to create a dish that's greater than the sum of its parts. By paying attention to ingredient selection and preparation, you can craft a salad that's both simple and sublime.